guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the ECS two-piece rotor system onto the Golf R. It's going to save some unsprung weight or mass, however you want to call it, and cleaning a few things up, adding new brake pads and factory mud flaps. So stick around, let's hit this video.
Oh, it's Adams, that's mine.
Look, that's you.
It's got my name on it.
It's Adams.
It's got my name on it.
So we're gonna ceramic coat the new wheels that I got because the dealership replaced them. Before we throw them in the car, maybe throw some ceramic on the calipers. So cleaned everything down. I'm gonna do that right now before he gets to the rotors. All right, that's just one coat of ceramic on inside of the barrel, and the outside looks brand new. Freaking awesome. The new wheels came out absolutely flawless and phenomenal. The back two, they're pretty decent, but did 2 coats of ceramic in the barrels and on the outsides. I think it's gonna really, kind of pop. And I did this on the Grand Cherokee, so I'm gonna let them sit for the next couple hours before these guys get started. So they just headed to lunch. Calipers I even did. Why not? I'm not gonna paint them. I want this kind of, just be a stock vibe Golf RAR, because I don't want anyone to know that it's going to be packing a little bit of heat. So pretty happy with how this turned out. Okay, here's a 2-piece brake rotor setup from ECS. This will save just about over 13 pounds of unsprung rotational mass on the Golf R. We've got the new pads. Pretty stoked. Let's hit it. So I've also got the factory mud flaps. We're going to throw those on as well. Should complete the look of the car. Oh yeah, mud flaps are on. Super easy, guys. Longer screws go on the side. These 2 punch out. Use your old screws. 8mm drill bit on the bottom. The front's pretty similar. Almost done with it. Longer screws here. Drill these 2 out with the 8mm and 8mm on the bottom. It's looking pretty good. Wait for these boys to get back from lunch and we'll do the brakes next. So if you're a car guy, working at a dealership is amazing because you can just take your lunch break, come hang with the boys, turn some wrench on your car. So I'm gonna do a whole video on if you're a car person, you should work at a dealership, and that's why. And tons of other reasons, but let's get to the video.
Whatever. The Audi RS3 brake ducts, they just zip tie on the bottom of the control arm.
Yeah, I saw that on his. I was like, zip ties, bruh?
Those will fit on his.
Yeah.
They're Audi zip ties.
Yeah, well, what does that mean? Like NASA certified zip tie? Are they made out of aluminum?
No, I think they're Tesla certified.
Tesla certified. Oh, no, that's like an appliance certified.
It's probably, I think Tesla certified would be better than NASA. NASA just uses the rocket one time.
Yes, that's true. All right. Anything you want to let the people know about this? They do?
Yeah, the clips are stupid.
Oh man. Are we going to reuse the factory one?
Yeah, I did, because I prefer that over the Phillips.
Yeah, for sure.
I just feel like if in the future, if it's hard to get out, that torque is easier than the Phillips.
Yeah, so keep the torque bit instead of the Phillips that comes with these. So RS3s, S3s, the Golf R has electronic parking brakes, so you have to plug in your OBD11 or some sort of similar tool to electronically release the parking brake so you can swap the rear rotors and pads. All right, the rear rotors are on, 2-piece, electric parking brakes right there. Adam's gonna knock this out for us, so we'll report back soon. Oh yeah.
You got them all clean?
Oh yeah, how's it come on? Aw shit.
It's time to come out.
My boy Paul's knocking it out. So I ceramic coated the exhaust tips too because I'm kind of crazy. So that's what it is. And oh yeah, pick these RS3, S3, 22 style fog bezels up. They look way better than just the stupid reflectors. Okay, everything's done. Just need to get them bedded in. Pretty damn excited about it. So yeah, I think pretty happy with how it turned out, and honestly I'm more happy about the mud flaps for some reason. I think it just kind of completes the overall look of the car for me. Don't know why, but I don't know, I kind of dig it. Just drive around and bed the brakes in. Oh, it didn't sound bad.
No.
That was the first time?
Didn't sound that bad.
It's not too bad.
Usually they're all like. So the cars are like 60 to 20, like 5 times, and in between.
Yeah.
You want to drive and let it cool. This is kind of a, with all these stop signs, kind of an road. That guy just blew the stop sign.
Yeah. They always blow the stop sign right here. But the other, it's worse up there.
Yeah. We're in the 30.
Oh, look, it did do the 3D dots on the dash.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Check that out.
Yeah.
So those weren't there before?
No, those weren't there before.
What did you have before?
It was just blank.
Just the blank.
It just comes
oh,
up.
because that's the assist?
Yeah, I think it'll probably toggle through. It'll probably
What about
be...
those little lines over there?
Yeah, see the dots just stay there now. See, now we got the dots there.
Oh. Fancy.
Pretty cool. No, yeah, we're just gonna go straight. So you're already in S. So
and then it should be fine from here, right?
yeah, should be good. Let me know what you think.
Damn. I see what you mean.
Is that
It was
normal?
like gunk. Yeah.
Gunk.
And
That's-
then even in the back made like a or something,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So is that normal for the
I can't really
DSG?
say.
Well, because yours isn't tuned, right? So
Yeah, I mean, I can't really say. That was interesting. There was some noise in the rear end, and then it definitely
clunked into a second hard. Yeah.
Second was like, I got you.
So I was telling him I'm not sure about how aggressive the Cobb DSG tune is. It's pretty aggressive. It's just hard as fucking. But I mean, launch is really hard too.
So,
and
oh,
it's
because
like,
you have the off-the-shelf DSG.
yeah, this is off the shelf aggressive
Okay.
tune from Cobb. So I mean, I want to try the EQT stuff soon because I'm not 100% sold on all the reviews about Cobb, but something for now. Anyways,
I don't know what's going on. I didn't trust it.
so it only behaves that way when you engage launch mode. So it doesn't do it
Like if I'm
just cruising. Like right now, it won't do it. See?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was...
So like for whatever reason, I guess when you put it in launch mode, it tells the clutch packs to behave that way or something strange. Quite strange.
Yeah, that was interesting, man. That's very, very grippy. I imagine that's a reduction in Haldex clutch pack life.
Oh, I'm sure. For sure.
Some grippy, grabby Haldex clutches going on.
Yeah, that was kind of scary launch. I'm gonna ask to see if it's supposed to sound like that. All right, just throwing nitrogen in the wheels. Oh man, it looks so good with the mud flaps. I don't know why. I love that kind of rally-esque feel. So pretty stoked about it all. Probably even looks a little bit wider, honestly. Yeah, it's tight. Pretty dope. Well, yeah, guys, pretty excited. Did some good work today. If you guys like this content, stick around, subscribe, like the video, and leave some comments. I'm gonna see on the forums if that clutch pack sound in the rear is supposed to sound so aggressive with an aggressive, DSG tune. I'm sure it is. However, for now, pretty happy. I looked at the time clock on that 0 to 60 that we just did in launch mode. It was about 4 seconds flat, so that's impressive. I actually haven't timed it yet with the Draggy because I haven't even done or uploaded my stage 2 video. So stick around, more content coming soon, guys, and have an awesome week.